Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're here with Alex. And we're going to be doing Japanese candy taste testing. So this package is the TONOSAMA candy package, and
sorry, we're confused because like the advertising showed a box.
It's just a package.
Yeah, it's not a box.
A bag. It has 22 pieces, and we're just gonna try them out. Yeah, so let's get to it. So guys, let's get started. So about the package, again, more into specific details. I got this for like $13.99. It was one of the cheaper ones, like I said. Did I say cheaper in the beginning?
I don't remember.
Whoops. Anyway, one of the cheaper packages. It only has 22 pieces. And yeah, it's like one of the first ones that pop up on Amazon, I think. But yes, let's get into it. Okay, which one do you want to do first? Oh.
Try that one.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the first one.
Can you read it?
Girl.
Calbee, that's what I can read.
Okay, this is the first one.
Wait, try to zoom in on it. Turn it. All my hands. There you go.
Okay. If I really tried, I could probably read the top one, but I don't have time for that. Okay.
No, that's
This is what it
veggie
looks like.
sticks? That's what it looks like.
Those look like vegetables in disguise.
Yep.
I had a little orange one, little green one. Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Little hearts too, by the way.
Guys, I'm scared.
I'm not. They're jelly.
I'm allergic. I have food allergies.
I just realized this is dangerous.
If I try to
It tastes like the vegetable sticks though. Are you allergic to those? A little spicy actually.
This tastes familiar.
Yeah, it's the veggie sticks. The little green ones, the green and red ones, and like some yellow, and like that giant Costco bag.
No, this tastes familiar from somewhere else.
Really?
I'm not sure, but I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. It's really good actually. It actually is better than the veggie sticks, like way better.
Okay, we're supposed to be trying different ones, but we're
Okay,
going
yeah.
out.
We should stop.
Moving on. We're gonna get another one. You choose, since you are the guest star here.
Let's try something sweet. Wanna try these? Those cute ones?
Those look super cute.
They're very cute.
Put them up to the camera.
I have a feeling they're gonna be like sour. I don't know. They kind of have that sour look. There it is.
Cute.
Want me to open it? Want me to have you on it?
You can.
Look at that. Do you want it? Do you want me to?
That's fancy.
A little too thick, man. Most packages don't give that. It's something.
So I'm just gonna use my hand. I'm gonna get
I'm
the
try
little
the
green
yellow
one.
one. Ready?
Oh, it's mushy.
I like the flavor. You know what the yellow one tastes like? It tastes like little banana things. Little, remember those hard banana candies?
Like a
Yeah.
high chew?
Huh?
Kind of like
No,
a high
no, not high chew. The ones in like the little quarter thingy. I forgot what they're called. Not a vending machine. But like you put a quarter in, fucking open it up, and then like you get little hard bananas.
Oh!
Broke your teeth.
Okay, on to the next one. Should I choose? You choose?
I already chose the last one.
Okay, then I'll go. I'm gonna go for this one.
I heard great things about that one.
Heard great things about them.
Great things. I'm actually really excited to try it. And it's from, remember the show? I remember watching this all the time in Ecuador, this fucking show. It was my favorite. It was the only thing that I could actually watch and be entertained by. Have you ever seen the show?
No.
I'm kidding. Alright, you wanna open it?
Let's go.
It's kind of sweet. That's really good. You know what? It tastes like caramel corn.
Yes. That's what I was thinking of. Okay. Onward to the next one.
Alright, now you have to choose. I'm choosing this cute blue one. Oh, it's a liquid. Oh, how are we gonna do this? Let me get a little like.
Now you can just go for it.
It's like medicine.
Ooh, I don't want that anymore. Good thing you are trying that.
Yeah, it's little like gummy things. Like in those little Mexican candies, like if you open like well they have in Ecuador at least. Like if you open a piñata, they'll have like these little jelly things.
Yeah, like jelly long sticks, right?
They're like little jelly cups.
Oh. Okay, next one. I wanna do, let's do this one. This one looks interesting. Put that up close.
That one's really cute.
That looks super cute. Aww. Should I stop the video and take pictures?
No.
Okay. Let's go for it.
So cute though.
Okay, I know this says Don Don.
Don Don, aw.
I don't know that character, I'm sorry.
Ooh.
You know what these look like? These look like little mini breadsticks or little croutons.
Yeah! I was about to say croissant. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. It's little... kind of like dog food, to be honest.
Dog treats? I can't smell anything.
It has a sour smell. Maybe mustard? I don't know what that is. I like it. You like it?
You know what this tastes like?
What?
Like a rice cracker. But like, no, not a rice cracker. Those circular oval things that are white and they're dry.
I think I know what you're talking about. I like it.
I don't like it.
Hey, for Alex.
Well, moving on to the next one. Your turn.
I'm gonna go for this tiny little Hello Kitty one.
Oh.
If it's inside. Do it. Yeah. It's adorable. Looks like a little marshmallow, to be honest. I think I'm like positive it's, oh. It's all weird.
Is it chocolate?
Marshmallow just pooped.
Marshmallow pooped, and I'm just gonna eat some marshmallow poo.
It's good. It's good.
On to the next one. I want to do this one. This one's been like catching my eye, and it's like in the back of the bag.
Aw.
Look how cute that looks.
It's really cute.
This guy on the front, he's me.
You.
Oh, is it a lollipop?
I think it's a lollipop.
I think it's a lollipop.
You can have this one.
Can you see his little face? It's not gonna focus. Too small. Just a grape lollipop. That's pretty much it. So now let's choose the next one.
This one is catching my eye. It's just like the biggest one in here.
I don't know, the bottom one. The bottom one. The bottom one looks pretty big, dude.
Oh, that's pretty fucking big. We can say that one for
You already chose yours.
Okay. Alright.
These also look like cheese sticks. No, like
little cheese puffs. Yeah, but like
dried
seasoned.
cheese puffs.
Seasoned. Oh, I didn't show it. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. You didn't get to see this one in all its glory.
And you ripped it.
I know. Alright, ready?
But it's like corn.
Yeah, the first flavor is weird. Like sweet corn.
Like
and
corn on the cob.
And then like the aftertaste is pretty good. But yeah, it tastes like corn on the cob actually.
It interesting.
I don't know how I feel. Pretty good though. Like, I'm not complaining.
Like, I don't know if I'd be able to eat like a lot of it.
I probably would.
Okay, onward to the next one. I'm gonna take this one. Look at it. It looks the same as the other one, but look at the top.
This is teriyaki, but this is a
teriyaki.
burger. That's super fragrant.
Oh, it smells like teriyaki.
Ready? I like the first one better. You look concerned. I hear my mouth. Ugh.
Next one.
You better do some hardcore drugs in this. It actually looks like drugs though. It's so funny. What?
Those are
Ready?
like candies that I've had before.
I have not had one before.
I've eyeballed this one.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
You already ate it without me.
I did. I didn't even show the camera. I'm sorry, you guys.
And it just pops right out.
Yeah, it does.
Popping pills.
That's all we know. This thing I did not expect. Chocolate.
Oh. It's chocolate inside.
I thought that'd be like fruity.
Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. I'm not that big of a fan of chocolate, so.
Yeah.
Maybe for you chocolate lovers. Not me. Okay. Next one. I want to do this one.
The giant little like church. Wait, no, that's seasoned though. Ooh.
No, look on the back. It has a shrimp.
Is it shrimp? Oh no.
Woo! Tastes like shrimp chips.
Oh, that's so gross.
I like it. Another one it is. Next one.
Let's try this one. Looks like a hard candy. I have a feeling it's gonna be a lime. I was gonna say melon, but there's little limes on it.
Focus.
Oh please.
You're too close, maybe.
You're right.
There you go.
You're right. I'm an amateur, guys. Sparky, don't you dare.
You just dropped on the floor. 5-second rule.
It tastes a lot like the jelly thing that I have, the blue. This thing, except lime flavor. How's that medicine taste again to it?
So like a lime hard candy.
I feel like the lime is too harsh, if you know what I mean. It's more kind of tasting like medicine.
Ooh.
Pretty good though.
Okay, next one we're gonna do this one just to get out of the way at this point.
Yeah, it's just like the other two.
Yeah, you have the other two. Why did I think we had 3?
I don't know about the other two.
Okay, let's go for it. Ah. Oh my god.
It looks good. Alright, ready? Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, I don't like this one.
Why? Why? Oh my god. What do you not like about it?
I don't know. Just the flavor of when it first sat on my tongue.
What does it taste like? This tastes familiar. Like I had it just like a few days ago.
It does taste familiar, but no thank you.
Ketchup.
Oh.
It kind of tastes like ketchup.
No, it doesn't.
Kind of.
Next one.
Alright. Ooh, it's like a little sour one, I think. Oh, please. Thank you. Okay, I have a feeling it's gonna be like cola. Cider, it says.
Ooh. I like the smell.
Oh, that's really good. Ready? Cheers.
Ooh.
It is familiar. I really like that one though. Out of all the sweet candies, I think that one's my favorite.
I like that one.
I have a feeling, guys, this one is gonna be strawberry.
You know, just a feeling, maybe.
Just a feeling. Oh, do it for the camera.
I feel like you got less
That's actually
now.
pretty cute. I like how that looks.
Ooh. I want to take a picture of this. This is so cute. It's too small to focus.
I really like that strawberry. It's like perfect strawberry flavoring.
It wasn't very like overpowering.
It was like literally perfect.
That was really good.
That was really good.
I would buy that.
Me too.
Choose thy next one. Thy? I don't know why I said thy. The next one.
Fired. I'm firing you. Look at this. Oh my god. This is so cute. I love this show so fucking much. I never like actually watched the entire series because I watched whatever was on air in Ecuador. But I had nothing to do.
Look how cute that is.
I love this show so much. Aww, I forgot the name of it too. Oh, this makes... I remember. I'm gonna be so mad. I was not expecting that flavor. It's a hella intense lime. Or the ginger. Kind of like lime and ginger, to be honest.
I don't know what this is. But I'm not that much of a fan.
I like it.
Okay, next one. I think I should do this one. I like this one. I like the packaging of these.
These are really cute. That one turned out really well too.
What was the other one? Like croutony?
Kind of.
Oh god. Oh, it's flapping.
It tastes plain to me.
I'm scared.
It actually does taste like peanuts. You probably shouldn't eat that.
I'm gonna hand this over to you. I'm gonna hand this whole bag over to you.
That's awkward. I'm picking another green one. Oh no, I like green. It's a bunch of little sunflowers. I have a feeling it's
Sunflowers?
gonna be sunflower seeds.
Ooh, she winking.
She winking. She know what's up. I think it's exactly what they are.
This smells like it.
Cheers.
They hold it the pretty way.
Or a guitar pick.
A good time.
Cheers. It's a leaf actually. Look at that. It's like, you can't really see it, but it's like printed.
Mine doesn't look like a leaf.
Mine kind of does. You know what? You just gotta trust me on this. It's pretty good.
It's a rice cracker.
Hella flavorful.
Okay. Next one, I'm gonna choose this one.
Oh, little Smarties. It kind of looks like.
That's what it looks like. The packaging is cute.
I have to sneeze. Okay, it went away. Wait.
Bless you.
Thank you. Oh shit.
Looks like dust.
I know. I wasn't expecting that. I don't know if I like these. Nah.
They have like a weird taste to them, aftertaste.
Also scary. Hope's gonna die. Just kidding.
Next one. And we have like 4 more options.
Felix. Felix.
Oh, that came out easily.
Mmm.
It's gum.
It's really pleasant though. Mm.
Please don't swallow it. So, you know, I think it might be pineapple. Pineapple. Why did I say pineapple? Did I say pineapple?
I think you did.
I don't know what I said, but yeah, you know, maybe.
Let me guess.
Take a guess. What is it?
Let me think. Hold on. This is a hard one. Oh, mustard.
No. That was a close one though.
Pineapple?
Yeah. How'd you get it?
I have no idea. Psychic? Wow, she's quit school. I have a feeling since the green one was lime and the purple one was grape and this one
Papaya.
this one has little oranges on the bottom. Okay. Oh, what does it taste like? It's totally an orange, but the little like fucking fake flavor tastes similar. And it has a little peace sign on it too. I don't think you'll be able to see that because it's covered in my spit, but yeah, exactly like that.
I like the pineapple candy.
I'm not that big of a fan of this one. Last one. Should I do the honors?
Go for it. I don't know. That looks kind of scary now.
It's supposed to be chocolate. This is chocolate right here. Beep, beep.
It smells like...
I love the crunch. The crunch is perfect. Along with the flavor.
You know what these taste like? Like the little wafers. They're like long rectangles. But with more chocolate.
Yeah, coated in chocolate.
But more chocolate.
Yeah, I love the texture.
It's pretty good.
They're really good. This one's a heart.
What if they're all supposed to be hearts, but they just got some deformed ones?
To be honest, I think this is something you should like invest in. It's really good.
We could do another one another time.
I totally recommend it to everyone, anyone watching this, to do it again. And also, what I recommend more is to subscribe to Brianna's Tears. Because if you don't, there'll be Alex's Tears. I'm gonna be hurt. Because why else would you have a YouTube channel if you're not gonna subscribe? Like the only reason God intended, or life intended you to have YouTube, is so you could subscribe.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Me and Alex will be back with more videos together. Collabs.
Ooh. Collab even though I don't have a YouTube channel.
True. You know, you could just be a guest star.
I'll forever be a guest star.
And a forever guest star. I should just make like a series dedicated to you. Doing, what are we gonna do next? I'm not sure, but we'll figure that out next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Well guys, thank you guys for watching. I forgot what I was gonna say next.